Today we will learn how to find a rate for a steel reinforcement grade 60. Okay, let's start. So we need to determine rate of steel reinforcement deform bar of grade 60 per ton. Okay, so step 1, material requirement for 1 ton equal to 1000 kgs. So we required steel deform bars 1000 kgs 1 ton, and binding wire required for to bind steel bars. Okay, so 1% of steel weight, so 10 kgs for 1000 kg of steel deform bar. Then we need to determine manpower requirement for 1 ton. So we need steel fixer, blacksmith, so 30 hours of steel fixer for 1 ton steel bars, and helper 30 hours of one helper. Okay, so summarize all these. So steel deform of 1000 kgs, bending bar 10, steel fixer 30 hour, helper is 30 hour. So rate for deform bar is 2.7 real per kg, 10 real for binding wire per kg, 15 real for steel fixer per hour, and 77 for helper. So total direct amount is now 3460 real. Okay, now we need to add overhead, contingency, profit, and value added tax to direct cost. So direct cost is 3460, overhead is 10%, contingency is 5%. So overhead amount is 346 real, and contingency cost is 173 real. So now total is 3979. Then add 15% profit margin, which is 596.85. So amount is 4575.85 real. Then add 15% value added tax, which is 807.5 real. So the total amount cost for 1 ton of steel bar of grade 60 is 5383.35 real.